Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now I've gone over this entire car, front to back, every square inch of this, really trying to analyze it. Spent probably 20 minutes with it, and I got nothing. I don't see a single rock chip, scuff, scratch, or anything. It's absolutely perfect. Full front clip PPF, full headlight, front bumper, hood, fenders, and side mirrors, fully protected in paint protection film. And then you have everything that comes with the car from the factory, laminated window sticker and all. So in a second, you'll see all the goodies. This is a massive, massive MSRP car. Tons of options, more carbon than you can count. It is everywhere. Absolutely gorgeous, basically brand new. So I'm gonna walk around the car. Normally I would go pick it apart, but I got nothing. She is as perfect as it gets. Got the carbon ceramics. They look amazing. I love the blue calipers. They look really good. Like I said, full front clip PPF. I'm still gonna scan each panel for you just so you can see. Carbon down here. PPF around the side mirror and the trim. All of that looks really good. If you see that film in there protecting it. A-pillar looks good. Check out the top. That is amazing. No window tint. Door looks good. Absolutely beautiful car. Probably the highest spec one I've seen. And you never see the carbon. Even this is probably the most rare option, seeing carbon here. Looks insane. Zero curb rash underneath. I'll show you in just a second. And I've gone up close, inches away, just really analyzing each piece. And I got nothing. No impacts. Look at that splitter. Clean all the way around. No curb rash. Now, if you had to get super close and you wanted to pick it apart a little, you know, in the film, every once in a while, you're going to have like a little bubble in the film. But rest assured, underneath, it is absolutely perfect. You know, you're going to get a little spot that kind of lifts every once in a while. But getting up close, you can see they did good corners. They did a phenomenal job. I mean, look at all the intricate detail around each single vent that you got to go around. So that's really nice. Fender's perfect. Look at those wheels. Love the finish. Massive carbon diffuser. Carbon up here. Like I said, high MSRP options that you just never see on a Roma. They basically wanted to check all the boxes. We'll have photos of this as well. Here's all the details, as well as the window sticker and everything that's included with this car. It has it all. And then checking out the interior. Gorgeous blue leather with the black Alcantara inserts and the white piping. That seat is incredible looking. Not much of a back seat, but you do have one. A little bit of room back there. Got the blue on the steering wheel with the carbon, upper and lower. Carbon on the center stack. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't see any flaws on that door panel. Buttons look amazing. The trim getting in and out still perfect. No scuffs on the seats. It's a brand new as they come. Alcantara everywhere. Very nice. Panel's perfect. Handle's nice and clean. Looks amazing. Trim looks good. These seats are incredible. Beautiful, beautiful interior. And then you can check out this. I know it's kind of dark back there. Looking at the engine bay. That is beautiful. Everything looks perfect. All the plastics have been protected. Looks good. Once you drive, of course, you'll get your TPMSs to calibrate. This is like a cold start, essentially. And 85 miles. Looking at the carbon. Got the light here. Just looks perfect. I'm gonna put it in drive. We're not gonna drive it. Normally we go test drive every car, but there's no need for this one. It's perfect. It's gonna just get parked in here. Gotcha. Automatic, manual, reverse, and then double pull the paddles to go neutral. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Got the button here to push. Step. And look at this beauty. It's the interior that really gets me. I love that interior.